when I was like 12 years old or something. And of course I was a child and children don't really think about this that much, but however I really didn't care. I didn't put any effort into my looks. Of course children don't, but I want to step further than all of the other children. I remember wearing like pants that had holes in them to school, and it's not because I was poor or something, it was just because I didn't care. I would go to school with pants that I ripped on playing sports. I would wear shirts that are too tight, pants with holes. I looked terrible. And then my hair was just a bowl cut. And again, I was a child. But other children cared a little bit more than me. I kind of kept that habit when I got a little bit older. And the thing is, I started being more and more insecure about my looks. I was starting to feel bad because I felt like I was ugly, like no girls are attracted to me. And looking back on it, I don't know why I didn't get the idea to try to improve my looks, put a little bit of effort in them. Maybe because I thought they can be improved. So maybe there is some of you who are watching this who are still not putting effort to improve their looks and are feeling insecure about it. So I'm gonna tell you 4 things that you can do to actually improve your looks overnight. So keep in mind that these 4 are gonna be quick fixes that you can do now. But I'm also gonna make a video that's gonna be about long-term fixes, about things that you need to put a little bit more effort in, and that you're not gonna see results instantly. So stay tuned if you wanna see a video with more long-term tips, which are gonna be more helpful. Number 1 is gonna be this thing that you may have heard of, maybe not, and it's called mewing. It's fixing your tongue posture. So your tongue is supposed to be like put up against the roof of your mouth, and not when your tongue is not up against the roof of your mouth, it's falling down, and it's making your chin, this thing below your chin, fall down too, and that makes you look uglier. Alongside holding your tongue up against the roof of your mouth, you also want to close your mouth and breathe through your nose. When you're walking outside and you're breathing in your mouth, you're looking like so keep that in mind and breathe on your nose only, and keep the tongue on the roof of your mouth while you do it. At the roof of your mouth while you do it. That's gonna make you look more attractive and more healthy as well. Second tip is gonna be your sleep. This should speak for itself. When you sleep well, you're not gonna have bags under your eyes, you're not gonna look like you're exhausted, you're gonna probably have better posture because you're not dead and falling to sleep. You're just gonna look better, and you're gonna feel better, and you're gonna act better. So good sleep fixes everything. Go to sleep. Third thing I'm gonna talk about is style. Now style, I mean clothing style, like dressing up, that's a really wide subject. I can't teach you how to dress up in this video, and so you should go search it up a little bit. If you want, I can give you tips on style, but I'm not the expert. If you wanna see more about style, you should go search up some clothing YouTubers. There's many. I'm sure you can find out great tips, but also I can tell you that this thing comes with experience. You just have to start getting into that. You can't just like watch a video and know everything. So yeah, but definitely keep in mind how you dress, because when you see a person that's really well dressed, that's actually, at least from my experience, I noticed that before I noticed the face. Clothes can definitely make you more attractive. Keep that in mind. Don't dress up like an idiot. At least try to dress up. And the last thing I'm gonna talk about, and this one is kind of obvious and maybe you're already doing it, but maybe you need to step it up a little bit, and it's hygiene. With hygiene, I talk about basic things like shower. You don't want to smell. That's gonna make you less attractive. You want to brush your teeth, obviously. And also when you brush your teeth, don't forget to brush your tongue, because tongue is the thing that smells. It's not the teeth. So brush your tongue and try to deep throat that toothbrush so you can clean the whole tongue, not just the front. Then also hygiene would be skincare. So if you have problems with skin like I do, definitely get some skincare routine and fix it. I'm on my way on doing that. Also, be shaved. If you're a man and your beard is growing, if you can grow a full beard, that's great. But if you can just grow like a little bit here and a little bit here, shave that off. If you're like 15 and you have like a little bit here and here, bro, shave that off. That looks nasty and your full beard is not gonna grow in years. So bro, shave off that little bit that you have here. It does not look good. So those are 4 ways that you can look better instantly. Make sure you watch out for all of these 4. Don't skip anything out, and you're instantly gonna become more attractive. So if you want to see a video for long-term things that you can do to fix your looks, that's gonna come out soon. So stay tuned and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can see when it comes out. Okay, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.